Guys, I'm now joined by Len May. He's the founder and CEO of Endocanna Health. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you for inviting me.
Okay, so you just launched this DNA swab kit, and it's basically like 23andMe, but for cannabis, right? So how does it relate? How do we take a biotech company like your own, and translate it into cannabis?
Yeah, that's a great question. So we have specific genetic markers in place that are related to the way the cannabis works within our bodies. And we did about 2 years of research to try to identify those genetic markers and then be able to present this to a person to see how cannabis works within their bodies.
Okay, so that's basically because, say someone could take an edible and be fine, another one can take one and freak out totally. Or all the strains affect people differently. So what did you find? What are the markers that you found that maybe are the chemical makeup you're testing for specifically?
Yeah, I mean, there's over 60 different genetic markers that we found.